Welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you practical steps on how to use WhatsApp Meta AI to create AI generated profile picture for your business. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel, I can assure you that you're going to be learning a lot. Just stay tuned, subscribe to this channel and like every of our videos. Let me just mention a few of the usefulness of this particular skill I'm about to teach you. I know a lot of business owners who don't want to show their face out there, and then this is something common. Right, so when I started my digital marketing business, I didn't want to show my face as well. Right, so, and then this is something I did. I was able to make my first 500k without showing my face online. I created an AI generated profile picture, and then that is how I was able to build trust without showing my face. So without wasting more time, let's get started. This is my WhatsApp. So you just click on WhatsApp and then open the Meta AI. If you want to access the Meta AI on WhatsApp, it is in your search bar. So you just have to tap on your search bar and give it a description. So Meta AI is actually an AI that, is based on prompts, right? So you just have to give it a description. So it's very simple to navigate. It's something everyone can actually do. So let's say, for example, we want to create a profile picture for a digital marketer who works from home, right? So let's say something like this. Generate an image of a Muslim guy named Digital Umar working from home with the name written on a frame placed on the wall. So this is something simple because you have to give it a detailed description for you to get what you want. If you are into fashion designing or any business, you just have to give it a very sweet and easy description for you to generate exactly what you want. So let's see what this will give us. It's loading. Yeah, so this is actually perfect. You can see this is good. I said generate an image of a Muslim guy named Digital Umar working from home with the name written on a frame placed on the wall. As you can see, this is very perfect. But then if you actually want to change it and then feel like no, I want a guy who is actually black or something, so you can just copy this, regenerate it, a black Muslim guy wearing a cap. Okay, let's see, wearing a cap, name Digital. Let's see something like this. You can see this is actually cool. This is good, right? But then if you don't have exactly what you wanted, so the goal is just to keep generating till you have exactly what you want. What is actually missing here is a frame, right, with his name written boldly. This is something like boldly on a frame placed on the wall. Right? Let's see this. Look at this. This is actually cool. This is fine, right? So if you just want to generate, you have to keep on giving it the prompts. If you don't like this, you can generate something else and then just keep on generating. So if you want to save this, just tap on the three buttons at the top and then save. Click on save, right? So it's just as simple as that. And then let me give you another tip for generating a very good AI image, right? So you can actually add words like realistic, abstract, and black color, light background, and all of those things to actually get a very good AI portrait generated image, right? So it will look very well. Let's do something like this. Let me just try to give you an example of what I mean, right? So generate a realistic, let's see, a realistic image of a black guy named Digital Mo working from home. Okay, so this is it. So let's just see something like this. You can see it. This is actually cool, right? And then if I just want like a dark room or a light room in a room with a light background, white lighting background, and the name written on the wall, and something like this. Let's see. You can just keep on generating till you get what you actually want. So you can see this is perfect, right? So this is perfect. So you can just go on, keep on regenerating it. If you don't like this, you can just re-edit it and then make something better, make it cool, right? So you can just tap on this, have it saved to your phone. Click on the three dots here, right? And then you just tap on save, right? So it has been saved to my phone. Now I can go and use this for my profile picture. Let me just show you an example of how to use this for a profile picture. This is not something new, right? So you can just go to your settings and then tap on this. So just add it, right? Just click on this and then you are good. As you can just copy it, you can see the AI watermark here. That is the Meta AI watermark. You can just copy it a little bit and then to get the AI watermark, so it won't be obvious to other people that you're actually using the Meta AI to create this. It's just as simple as that. It's just simple logic and then you are good to go. And that is all. You've created a stunning AI generated profile picture using your Meta AI. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more techie and creative tips like this. So if you've tried this feature out, let me know in the comments how your profile picture turned out to be. So share your tips, and then if you have any challenge, feel free to reach out to me or comment your challenge so I can create a video to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.